He now runs a major international business and was the first Korean to open an office in Silicon Valley in the United States. He's always followed his own path.
It's first of any kind that happens to turn the LCD display 90 degrees.
Lots of people have mobile phones.
Right.
What is it that makes sort of a good mobile phone great from a design point of view?
To make a good mobile phone to great one, I think you should understand people's lifestyle.
Yeah.
We want to put the whole world in the hand.
Right.
So we want to have a good TV and good entertaining images. The reason why I turned it around 90 degrees like this is to make more of landscape type of screen from portrait type. And
Right.
this is the first in the world that I have done.
That's
and
right.
based on this idea, there are lots of mobile phone with this same idea. But I'm proud that I set the trend, so to speak. So.
Absolutely. I mean, and all these products here, as I understand it, these are all things that you've designed.
Yes, to give you an idea, this is the compact that ladies use to, for cosmetic.
Sure.
And normally this one opens this way.
Yeah.
But my wife wanted to be able to look into mirror without having to pull it out and
Right.
open it up.
Right.
So I came with the idea that you can slide it up.
As simple as that, really.
As simple as that. So this is again first in the world. That's my design. By the way, this is also an interesting product that I did. Bill Gates from Microsoft loved it.
Right.
So he introduced this.
What is it
design.
exactly?
This is an MP3 player, hard disk type. But when I first designed it, he loved it, so he showed it to public at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. I think year 2002 or something.
So that was another breakthrough product.
Another breakthrough product because it was in hands of Mr. Gates, who happens to be the most rich
Yeah, no,
person in the world.
that's a good
And,
person to impress, there's no question.
Then he pointed out as such that can lead.
Kim Young-se has now turned his mind to designing several ranges of different household products for supermarkets around the world. He never seems to stop. Do you ever conceive of a time when you could run out of ideas?
No. Ideas are always there around you, around anybody for that matter. It's just a matter of grabbing it. It's a matter of just seeing what people don't see. So I don't think an idea runs out, even to me, as long as I love what I do now.
Well, you clearly do love what you're doing,
Yeah.
Dan. It's been an absolute pleasure meeting you. Thanks
you
ever
very
so much.
much.
It's been a great day. Thanks for being on the
very much.
programme. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Design is name of the company that I founded in 1986 in Palo Alto. That's part of Silicon Valley in the United States. That's the name of the company. From innovation. Good design is making people happy, pleasing people, and making life happier. Design is going to a future today. Designer's role function is living in the future today, so that preparing, creating for people for what they need, what they want. No, I'm very satisfied. Whatever that I feel that I need is bound to come and show in my imaginary world. So I have ton of inspiration for design, ton of creativity that comes from somewhere, from my observation. So I never had a problem or challenge to start any new designs. Yeah, that's a good question. 10 years from now, I want to be able to have many people participate in designing with me. So anybody can work with me through the platform that I'm gonna build new platform, design platform. I want to have all creative people around the world, designers, engineers, entrepreneurs, investors, technology, engineers, whoever wants to be part of collaboration process. And that's 10 years from now. I think even sooner it might be possible. Just normal. Just nothing, no big deal.
Just nature.
Yeah, just nature. That will be difficult. I want more than one. I think the new key word for today with the digital world is big design. I mean, we are all familiar with the big data, which is very hot trend of today. But I thought about big data. Big data is great if we can make a better use of it. And using better use of big data, the process is big design. So I want to use big data, and through big design, I want to make a big deal and make big deals and big dreams come true. So I think big design is going to be a new keyword for all the audience for this type of conference, hopefully.